Hey Stampers, it's Brandy here, and it is time to register for the Creativate online stamping retreat. We are so excited. This fall, October 17th and 18th is our upcoming retreat, and we are so excited for you to join us. If you like making cards and you want some ideas and some inspiration, well, then you're going to want to join us and craft along with us. So we are super excited. We are going to feature the Love and Courage stamp set. This is one of our give back stamp sets with Stampin' Up. So for every Love and Courage stamp set sold, Stampin' Up is going to give $3 back to breast cancer organizations. And so we are so excited to celebrate with them. The Creativate team, we have designed our pink sweatshirts. So we have pink sweatshirts and t-shirts for you. Upon registration, you can purchase your own Creativate t-shirt and sweatshirt. So here's what you need to know. Registration is going to open up on September 19th, and it'll be early bird registration until the 21st. So if you want to get registered, we'd love for you to register early so you get those extra 4 Funfold tutorials. So for those that register during early bird, you get those additional tutorials. That will give you 52 total tutorials all together to create with. So you will have lots of ideas and lots of inspiration. And of course, you can join us at the event, which is October 17th and 18th, wearing your Creativate t-shirt. Or sweatshirt. So we're really, really excited. We create everything from cards to 3D items to boxes, to, just different fun things, fun folds, techniques. We try to cover it all so that you have a wide array of things that you can create later. Just a lot of fun. Of course, we have our pre-retreat challenges. Those are my favorite. And so each Creativate leader, there's 4 of us, we each come up with our own pre-challenge before the retreat. And it's every Monday, so that you can kind of dust off your stamps, kind of get your mojo going, and jump in there and get creative. It's a lot of fun. Participation is optional. It's just more ideas and more inspiration for your crafting. Of course, we do have an optional Facebook group that is just for sharing only. So you can jump in there and you can post your cards and the pictures of your projects. And then of course you can look at what others have posted. And you can start to get to know some of the other Creativate crafters in our community. It's an amazing community. Many have been with us from the very beginning. So if you're new to Creativate and you have any questions, just reach out to me. brandyscards.com/Creativate. You can learn more about our event. You can also reach out to me at brandyscards.com/contact. So let me know if you have any questions. We would love to have you join us. Each Creativate leader does have their own unique link to register, so I'd be so grateful if you would consider registering with us at Brandy's Cards. We'd be honored to have you as a guest, and we'd love to have you. So just reach out to us if you have any questions. Make sure you get your Creativate sweatshirt or t-shirt so you can jump in the fun. And don't forget, you're also probably going to want the Love and Courage stamp set. You're probably going to want to have that on hand so that you can craft along. All right, everyone, thank you for stopping by, and I hope to see you here real soon for early bird registration, and then of course for our retreat October 17th and 18th. Take care, everyone. Bye.